Here's a prime example of why I wanted to convert my passion planner into the disc bound method that Happy Planner uses, because I do a lot of things sitting here while I'm watching television, and it's more convenient to write on the right side when it's flat, as opposed to having the whole book open. Let me get my other book and show you. This is last year's planner. This is the standard Passion Planner, the big size. Try to go to a page, it doesn't have anything written. See, if I want to write on this side, then I'd have to juggle the whole book, when I'd rather just be able to write on this side or on that side, however I want to do. It's just one page, and this is what works great for me. Another thing that I did, let me show you, to customize it to my needs for my monthly activities and jobs for the garden. I probably should have did one for the house too, as I did this little doodad on the back of the last page. This would normally go into the next month at a glance. Instead, I made a custom notes page that has all the things I need for my garden. What I need to sow, what I need to plant out, what I need to harvest, other jobs that are according to the garden, and then the layout, because this will dictate where I would plant things or anything like that. So say this was the start of May, and I'd have to plant out whatever I had sown that's ready to go, and I would mark them on this the layout, which most likely will change because I had 2 gifted cedar raised beds, and they are 3 by 3. All my smaller garden boxes are 4 by 4. So I'm thinking that I might make this one and this one the 3 by 3s. That way they'll coordinate. That's the only thing I could think of, because I don't want them on the ends, because this is getting cut down to a 4 by 4, just like that one was too. I just didn't white it out yet. And this is the herb bed that's there already, and this one is the garlic that's there already. And these 2 are the green beds that used to be here, and that first one is already torn apart. I have to construct these 2 8-foot beds, 1, 2, 3, 4 4-foot beds. And I'm just gonna let these go for the year and use them, because they still will hold soil. And then when more funds become available, I will construct 2 more 4 by 8. So that will probably be for 2022 to make these 2 beds, and to make a more sound greenhouse. More sound than it currently is. That green frame is like very low end. I'd like to find windows to build this out. Would be really nice. But we'll see what happens if I can get any of that accomplished. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how I adapted my pages to my own needs. And then also on the back of here would just be more notes, and then maybe not, because I'm just not sure if I would need to write anything else on here. But I did scan this page because this is the master layout, and each month it would be on the back page. See, like right there, I've got what to sew again, but I don't have my garden page, my layout. I need to get those reprinted, but I don't want to print them too far ahead. I want to make sure I have these boxes constructed and actually in place, and there's just too much snow and ice up there to do any of that right now. Okay, so it's Friday night. I've got my feet kicked up, not feeling the greatest, but I'll be alright. I'm gonna take a little nap, and after I write my notes for today and wake up probably at 2 o'clock in the morning and edit my video and get it put out. That's my goal. Alrighty, you guys enjoy your weekend, and happy birthday, Dr. King.